What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. So today we're not doing no food reviews, we're not doing no cooking, we're not doing no food related stuff today. Today we're just outside in the backyard or in the yard in Jamaica. Yeah, so we just go do some cleaning up because the whole place kind of bush up. Yard need cutting and everything. So I was like, all right, the sun is not too hot today. It's actually cool, so today we're just gonna turn on the weed whacker and just cut down what we can, and then that's pretty much it. But keep watching. All right. So like I said, it's not about food today. So if you're expecting some type of food, this is not the video. All right. Huh? Yeah. Yes, guys. It's like I said, it's not too hot right now, even though I'm sweating. So it's like when the sun is cool down, the temperature is nice and cool. You have some nice cool shade in your yard. That's the best time. You know. After this, we go drink some water or Gatorade or something. Cool on the body. Rehydrate the body, man. Cause I'm pass out. You don't want to have a heat stroke right in the elements right now. Trust me. Yeah. So We're definitely gonna hydrate the body, guys. Yeah, man. Thick bush right just, Guys, right here is a lot of bush, a lot. So that's why I had to be changing the actual wire a couple of times, but it's doable, it's doable. The other side, some parts of the yard is not so bad. Huh? May I take a break, take a breather. Even though it might not seem like a lot, guys, but trust me, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Big up to the landscaping people, them. I don't know how y'all do it. It's a lot of work, but guess what? It's doable. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna get all of this done today. This side, the back side, the left side, right side, everywhere. Huh? Yeah, grass tall. Baby. Still good, man. Tired. Yes, guys. So that was a nice little workout cleanup, project. But we still have a lot more left to do. But the both of the battery pack them kind of died, so we have to recharge it now and wait maybe a few hours. I'm assuming I don't even know how long it's gonna take to charge, but I'm not gonna finish the next side of the yard until maybe tomorrow, early in the morning or something like that. But if you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, more amazing recipes, food content, Jamaican content, all type of content. Big up on yourself. Yeah.